Hi guys! Today I'm gonna do a little bit of a different video. I actually live in a really nice area to go for a walk. So today's video is gonna be about that. I'm gonna do a short video about walking in South Perth along the Swan River. This is my bachelor pad, so there we go. Now you've seen that as well. And yeah, let's get going. One of the things that Perth has is black swans. Look at how beautiful they are. This is where we're going. We're going all the way along there. Alrighty. We've come from over there. It's Perth City. And you can see the bridge going over the freeway. Beautiful. A little bit further in front of us is Herrison Island. And we've got a few pelicans in the water. I don't know if you can see it. So last year I made the exact same video on the Swan River Walk. I was starting here and there was like absolutely nobody. So a year later and there's a lot more people here in Perth. Also with the coronavirus, it's just, you know, everyone's just coming out and South Perth has become a little bit of a hotspot. Amazing. They have such a beautiful view. I don't know what happened here, but it looks like the ground collapsed a little bit. Probably erosion. They probably need to improve this area a little bit over here. In the distance you can see a lot of ducks. There's like hundreds and hundreds, and every night they come on shore. One thing that's really cool here in Perth is you've got the footpath only for pedestrians, and then actually next to it you've got the cycling path. This is cyclists only. There's even a frisbee field around here. I don't know if you can see it. Over there, I'll zoom in a little bit. So you've got this frisbee course. Not that anyone ever uses it, but I don't think people know it's there even. It's just so many facilities, right? This is a classic example where you can see the footpath next to the cycling path. Just be mindful, guys, always respect that the cycling path is only for cyclists, and even when you're walking, just always try and keep left. Another thing that's really cool in Perth is you've got these water fountains everywhere, you know. But if you're thirsty, just press a button and you can also try and fill up your bottle from these ones. Oh my god, there's so much to talk about, you guys. We walked 50 meters and here's another thing I want to tell you is like there's gym equipment all around, and you know, it might not be, you know, the same as the gym equipment in your gym, but it gives you the opportunity to do some exercises while you're doing cardio. Also, if you want to leave your bike somewhere and just relax, make use of these nice little bike racks. Also, this nice beautiful large grass area is used for events, and I really like how they use their space here in South Perth and Vic Park, because they will use this grassy area just, you know, just to create extra parking space, and most of it is free, you guys, so cool. We're gonna cross this bridge over here It's the causeway into the city, so we're gonna go up those stairs there and then make our way over the river. Alrighty, gonna turn off the camera because it's gonna be a little bit noisy. And again, you guys, always keep left, please, for your own safety. That is a restaurant. You can rent kayaks and bikes just from over there somewhere. And yeah, sometimes under the bridge you can find some homeless people. Ooh, scary. Ta-da! Anyway, I said it's scary, but Perth is pretty safe. This part of the river is a little bit more quiet because not a lot of people make it this far. It's also a popular fishing spot, but honestly there's signs everywhere that the river is a little bit contaminated and it's not very safe to eat anything that comes out of the river. It's not all about getting food poisoning, it's all about neurological consequences as well. So just be careful, guys. It's so not worth it. You know, just go fishing in the ocean, it's much better. And there we've got the casino. Beautiful. Alrighty, now we come to a newly developed area, actually. Beautiful picnic area. With again the gym equipment. I love it. The best part of this bit, or this picnic area, is that there's no people anytime. Okay, they obviously need to do some cleaning on the barbecues. And look at that, we've got the view of $1 million. And we'll be walking across the bridge. If you go along the river, you'll end up in East Perth, but that's something for another time. Next time I will take you guys to East Perth. Perth has so much to offer, you know. So this bridge is 400 meters long. Oh my god. And the stadium holds about 14,000 people. You can see they've even built a new pier over there, so you can take the ferry from the city. How cool is that? That's the other side of the stadium. So over there you can see East Perth. You can actually walk all the way around and then through the stadium. So here you got the Burswood Water Sports Center. We've got a boat ramp, and they also use this venue for weddings. So how beautiful is this spot to get married? Just around the corner here, guys, is the casino. You can actually take a helicopter flight here. I don't know how much it costs, but it's pretty amazing. Alright, here we come to a crucial point. We're gonna go under the bridge, and honestly, you have to slow down here, guys. If you're on the bike, just think about people coming the other way and stuff like that. And the thing that annoys me most is that when they ring the bell, they just expect you to go out of the way, but it's just like, just slow down, guys, like seriously. Let's walk into the light. Again, slow down. Pedestrian crossing ahead, but people do not seem to listen. Anyway, that's my rant of the day. This is probably one of Perth's black spots when it comes to cycling, because you need to give way as a cyclist, but nobody does it. So here we are back on the other side of the bridge, and we are walking to that big building over there. Guys, the dolphins are back. It's like my lucky day today. Wow. Here comes the big one. Wow. I love Perth. It's just one of the most beautiful cities I've ever lived in. And oh, look behind me. Wow. So this is gonna be the first video of a Perth series video. I might do a few day walks here and there, and then, you know, the birds let me talk. And yeah, I just want to show you Perth, and you know, it's just an amazing city to live in. So people often don't realize what they have in their backyard, but you know what, I do. And I just want to show you guys all about it. Perth has a driverless bus. They're doing like a trial or something like that. And you can book your ride at rac.com.au/intellibus, and it goes from just around here, and then it goes all the way along the foreshore. I have never done it, and to be honest, it's not going at the moment because of all the coronavirus. Once it's going again, I will do it. No worries. Alright, we are back in suburbia. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Yay.